look at you, beautiful, crisp. You are the apple of my eye. Oh, hey, no, actually, you're the apple of my eye. Apples, everybody's favorite fruit. One of the things that we're going to be doing with apples today is a warm apple salad with Savoy cabbage. You go a little faster, and then you go a little faster, and you almost think you're Steve Austin, the Bionic Man. There you go. Slice down just like that. And 3, and 4, you see, just like that. Looks lovely. Now you and take the ring off before it gets to the table. Beautiful.